Quick money or lasting wealth? What's the real difference between trading and investing? In the next 8 minutes, I'll break down everything. The two paths, a real American small business story, the tools pros use, the hidden costs that destroy 90% of beginners, and finally, what's best for you. Let's dive in. Think of it like this. On the left, trading. It's a stopwatch. Minutes, hours, days. Fast-paced, quick money, high frequency. On the right, investing. It's an hourglass. Years, decades. Slow growth, lasting wealth, compound growth. The core difference is time. Trading is a sprint. Investing is a marathon. Meet Bob. Bob owns a small phone store in Ohio. Bob's Phone Store. He sells smartphones for $1,000 each. Business is good. But across the street, Mike's discount store sells the exact same phone for $900. Customers are running to Mike. Bob is in trouble. Then, breaking news on TV. A global microchip shortage. The factory announces, no new phones will be made for months. This is the crisis. Bob now has two choices. Choice 1, the daily hustle. This is trading. Every morning, Bob goes to Mike's, buys phones for $900, and by evening sells them at his store for $1,000. That's a $100 daily profit. Buy in the morning, sell in the evening. Fast cash. Daily grind. Choice 2, the warehouse. Wait, this is investing. Bob buys all the phones he can at $900, locks them in his warehouse, and waits. He knows in 6 months, when the shortage hits hard, people will pay $1,200 for the same phone. That's $300 profit per phone. But he has to be patient. Now connect this to Wall Street. Bob's phones are company shares. Buying at $900 in the morning and selling at $1,000 in the evening. That's day trading. Locking them in a warehouse and waiting for $1,200. That's long-term investing. Same game, bigger market. Traders and investors use completely different toolkits. Traders use technical analysis. They don't care about the company. They stare at charts all day on Robinhood. Red and green candles, RSI, MACD. They track Apple, Tesla, Nvidia tick by tick. Price is king. If the chart says buy, they buy. Investors use fundamental analysis, like Warren Buffett. They research the business health, revenue growth, profit margins. Does the company have a moat? Do they pay dividends? They want to own the business, not flip it. That's how you build real wealth. This is what Wall Street doesn't tell beginners, the hidden costs. Trading is a zero-sum game. It's like poker in Vegas. For you to win $100, someone else has to lose $100. Heads you win. Tails I lose. Market makers and hedge funds are playing against you. And the lifestyle? A day trader is stressed. Red heart pounding. 3 monitors. Zigzag charts. 4 a.m. alarm. Coffee cups everywhere. High blood pressure. An investor? He's chilling in a hammock in his backyard. Laptop closed. Money compounding while he sleeps. Low stress. Passive wealth. Let's talk taxes and fees. In America, if you day trade and make $1,000, the IRS taxes you at 37% as short-term capital gains because you held less than a year. That's $370 gone. Plus, Fidelity and Schwab charge fees on every trade. But if you invest and hold for over a year, you pay only 15 to 20% long-term gains. And index funds have near zero fees. Trading profits go to the IRS. Investing profits go to you. And the brutal stat from FINRA and the SEC, 90% of new day traders lose money in the first 90 days. The market is designed to eat your fees and taxes alive. Don't be part of that statistic. So what's best for a beginner in America? The golden rule: avoid day trading for the first 90 days. Early loss will demotivate you and kill your account. Put up a shield. Start investing. You only need $100. Buy and hold, delivery and hold. Learn how the market breathes. If picking individual stocks feels hard, just buy an S&P 500 index fund, VTI or VOO, dollar cost average every month. Let that small plant grow into a big money tree. Where to start? Open a brokerage account on Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. Look for low fees, no crash, simple UI. Remember, options trading and futures need a W-2 income proof. And in the US, the pattern day trader rule says you need $25,000 minimum to day trade. But simple investing? You can start today with $100. So, will you become a trader or an investor today? Align it with your goals, your risk tolerance. If you want quick cash and can handle high stress, maybe trading. But if you want lasting wealth, low stress, and compounding, investing wins. Comment below, trader or investor. What are you choosing? And subscribe, because next week I'll show you exactly how to buy your first index fund with $100. See you there.